Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are looking at Marin software, which we've been tracking from about the 2nd of July, and today we have a 12.96% increase in the stock price of Marin software. So the one thing I want to point out is if you look a little bit higher, you can see the Dow Jones is down, the S&P is down, Nasdaq and the Russell index. All of those market indicators and indices are down. Yet we have a 13% increase in Marin software. So the only news that has been out is that Marin Software has announced an enhancement to ad management software that enables users to manage ads placed on online grocery platform Instacart. So that's what they announced, I believe last week. Today is the 6th of July 2021. So since that announcement, this stock has just been on a constant and formidable rise. So if we look at this chart right here, you can see for the short term it's bullish, mid-term bullish, and long-term bullish. But let's not stop there. If you look at the chart, let me zoom out. You can see that this stock behaves in a very peculiar way. Early in the sessions, it tends to have a huge spike, as you can see there, and then as the session proceeds, it slowly drops. There are certain days, like you can see here, you had 2 consecutive sessions where the stock declined. And for today's session, you can see already that it will probably end up with a very modest increase compared to last week. So prediction for the day right now, you can see it's trading at $23. I'm thinking it might end up somewhere around 22, high 21s. So it's already 2 p.m. and this session should be ending here in about regular market hours should end at about in about an hour or so. So yeah, it's 2:59 p.m. So if we look at the stock, you can see that 4.61% is held by insiders, and institutions hold about 21.45. The short interest is 156,000 shares, which is not too much. And these figures, of course, they are a bit dated. You can see they are from June 15th. Well, let's continue and see what information we can glean from the internet. On July 6th, so far today, the trading volume is 38 million. July 2nd, it was 120 million by the end of the session, and on the 1st of July, it was 160 million. So there's been quite a slowdown in activity for MRIN. This is just to show the names of the officers and their pay, and of course the company is located in the United States in San Francisco. So they've got more than 100 employees. Not too much data about the company. So at this point, I would say the hype and the run-up in this stock is mostly based on sentiment. There isn't, if you look back, you go back about 5 years on the chart, there was a certain point when this stock was actually quite high. So let's take a look here if we can bring that up. That's the chart. Let's see if we can go back 5 years. So as you can see, at one point, this is in 2017, it was worth about $14. And if you go back, it was worth 18 in 2016. So yeah, it's just one of those stocks that had a slow, steady decline, and now its fortunes have reversed, and it's picking up. So over the past 5 days, you can see it's had 146% increase. I remain cautiously bullish on this, so be very careful, do your due diligence, and if it takes off after market, then it could easily, by the end of the week, get to $50. So I will just keep watch, keep an open eye, and be ready to act if anything, any of the fundamentals or your sentiment tells you that it's time to get out of the stock. Good luck to all, and see you guys later on.